How to recover Monopoly Go account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. In order to recover your Monopoly Go account, you must have already created your account before. If you are logged in as a guest, you cannot recover your account. So if you are properly logged in this home interface at the top right corner, you can see the three lines icon. Tap on it. From here, tap on this settings option. Over here, you can see this customer service option. Tap on it. Once you're in the customer service page, scroll down to the bottom and here you can see chat with us option. Tap on it. From here, you can chat with the customer service of Monopoly Go. Tap on this message field. You can write your message over here regarding the recovery of your Monopoly Go account. You can explain your cases over here. And you need to wait for the response from their team. They will guide you through the process on how to recover your Monopoly Go account. And you can follow their instructions. So that's it. That's how you can easily recover your Monopoly Go account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.